Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. It's Monday. Ugh. Mood today.
Why are you being so psycho this morning? You're a psycho kitty? Yes, I know.
Well, we are working from bed again today. It's funny because I feel like you guys know this, or maybe you don't, I don't know. But I've been pretty anti-working from bed. I just don't think that it's like good, obviously, to sort of like intertwine sleep and work. But one, I just love our new bed so much. I want to work in it every day. And also, it's just so much easier on busy days to work in separate rooms for Connor and I. Like, both of us have a pretty busy day today, and it's just so much easier to focus when we're in separate rooms. So I think that will change once our office is a little bit more put together. But for now, working from bed is not making me mad. I am very excited because I am about to open a box from a brand that I have loved for so long, and I've never gotten a box from them before. Although I have to say, like, I'm not 100% sure on how to pronounce the name of this brand. I always call it like We. But I don't know if that's right. Oh yeah, okay, so I am pronouncing it correctly because it says we is yes in French. So, we. I'm pretty sure that is how you say this. Anyway, if not, I'm sorry for butchering it, but I am so excited to see what's in here. First of all, let me show you the inside of this box. Like, could this be cuter? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what these products are in here. I feel like I've been working on like upping my hair product game, obviously, ever since I started growing out my curls. So I'm excited to try some more new products here. All right, let's see what these are first. Yes, I was really hoping that I would get this. These are Wee's newest product. It is their curl cream. It looks like they have two versions of it. This one says fragrance free, so my guess is the formulas are similar, but this one is fragrance and this one is not. Oh, I am so excited to try this. And now let's check out what's in this bag. So cute. Dreamed up by you, made by us. Ooh, some new clips. Love that. And look at this cute little packaging. Curl has entered the chat. Ooh, new microfiber towel. Yes. Oh, I'm so glad to have two of these because right now I only have one, and two is always better than one. And this one's cute, just plain white versus my white and black one options. Can't wait to try out these products. Also, I realized that I haven't done a hair check in so long. I really need to. It just has been like madness with the move. Feels like there just hasn't been like time to schedule that in, but this month I'm hoping to get that done. I should put it on my calendar, that way we can get a checkup. I think this will be like our eight-month check-in, which is crazy that I've been doing this for 8 months. Anyway, back to work for me. Oof, I just went into such a deep editing hole, you guys, just trying to get ahead on some vlogs for this week so I don't even have to worry about them. Making some good progress, still a lot to do. What else is new? But it's almost 2 p.m. now, and I want to get some food because I have a short, just little mini call at 3 p.m. It should be very easy to get done, but definitely want to get some food in me before that call, and then I'm just gonna keep pushing through. I honestly am feeling like pretty motivated, pretty productive right now, so I'm just gonna keep going and see how much I can actually get done today. Lunch is served. Honestly, it's looking a little small, a little puny. So I'm bringing a quantum energy here with me just in preparation for still being hungry. Treating myself to my fave. Coconut, almond, chocolate chip. Cannot get better than this, you guys, I swear. Can we talk about Molly right now? A queen on her throne. You are so cute. Oh my god. She just started like climbing up this pillow here and like needed a little help, so I gave her a little boost and she was looking out the window, and then I guess she just settled down right there. So cute. So it's 4:30 right now for me, and how am I doing on work? I don't even know. Okay, I'm doing okay. I'm doing pretty okay. I'm doing pretty okay. All right. But at 5 p.m. I have another one of my stereo shows, so that's in about a half hour, so I want to just sort of get recentered, focusing on that. I'm going to just FaceTime Brendan really quickly because he's helping me with this one. It's going to be really fun. We're going to be chatting about acting and the acting industry, not really like our careers, but our experience in the industry. And I'm really excited. I made the outline this morning and I was like, yeah, this is gonna be an interesting one, I hope. So pretty excited about that. So I'll be doing that for at least 40 minutes. So let's say like until like 6 o'clock to be safe. And then I probably have another hour of work and then I'm done. So I feel pretty solid about that. I'm not that mad about it. All right, just about to start my stereo show. This is where we're doing it today, in the bedroom. Let me turn my TV off. I don't want it to accidentally make noise or something. I don't know how or why it would, but better safe than sorry. I am going live in 3 minutes, so I need to hydrate now because I'm always afraid that people are gonna like hear me gulping. Just watching the clock here. All right, here we go. And we're going live. So the TV turned back on. What is going on? That has been happening a lot lately. It's very strange. Okay, here we go. Friendy? Hello, yes I can. Can you hear me? And done. That is my last scheduled stereo live show complete. I was getting some questions asking if I will like continue to do these because I obviously talked about how I had 3 specific ones scheduled. As of right now, I don't fully know, nor is there anything planned, but that being said, I definitely thought that it was sort of fun and it was cool getting to go on and do this live show and be able to talk to you guys through actual voice messages. So that's not to say never. There's just nothing else scheduled right now. I feel like I am crazy busy already, and adding in another platform is not really a full part of my plan currently, but it definitely is a platform that I want to keep in mind. And thank you to everyone who came and listened to all 3 of my shows. I really, really appreciate all of your support, just on everything that I do. I just have the best following. You guys are so cool, so supportive, just awesome. So it is 5:55 right now and I still have some more work to do, so I'm just gonna buckle down and get that done. I think I hear Connor on a call out there. I know that he is having a pretty long day as well. Both of us just have big busy days today, so I will go out there and check on him when I think he may be off his call. And I'm very excited because tonight for dinner I am making the infamous TikTok feta and roasted tomato pasta. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna be the best thing to ever happen to me. And this little cat is still just straight chilling on top of my pillow. She's been sleeping on this pillow a lot as well. Obviously it's flat while I'm sleeping, but she must be a big fan. Hello. She's like, please leave me alone. I don't want to wake up. Anyone else when their pet just doesn't move, just like wait to watch and see if they're breathing? Oh, we got movement. Okay. Good girl. Missed the sunset while I was doing that, but the sky still looks pretty cool out there. I like it. And I love that it's 6 p.m. and it's not completely dark out. Like, it's mostly dark, but not completely. 7:55 p.m. and we are wrapping up work now. Honestly, I really could keep going, but I just feel like, okay, I need to stop. I'm making dinner tonight. As I told you guys, the TikTok pasta, so I want to make sure that I get that going. That way Connor's not just like out there starving to death. But man, very productive day. I'm feeling pretty proud of myself. If we weren't doing the TikTok pasta for dinner, then I would probably just keep going and tell him just make something else for dinner, but I really want that, so we're gonna go for it.
Goldfish appetizer.
I know, I'm sort of hungry too. I'm glad that I got that done now. Oh, goldfish are so good.
I know.
It's ridiculous. Okay, we're making the TikTok baked feta pasta. Every YouTuber has made it already. You guys have probably seen it a million times on TikTok. I feel like I don't really have to go into specific details, but I am so pumped to try this. I can't even tell you. I am so excited. Okay, I'm literally just gonna put this chunk of feta right in there. Cherry tomatoes, all in there.
Was that a classic julienne?
Why, yes it is. Thank you for asking. Okay, basil going in. Okay, Connor's allowing us to use this fancy olive oil. Can you get this open?
Yeah.
Thanks, babe. Do a drizzle. It's garlic. Gotta give her a mixie. Make sure everything gets coated. Oh yeah. We got the bow tie pasta cooking, which I'm very excited for. It's been a while since I've had bow ties, but that sounds great.
Jill Cimorelli, note the date, February 8th, 2021.
It's a very important day.
Exactly.
TikTok pasta.
Monumental.
Monumental. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get the pasta in there.
Mmm.
Just start with that so I can integrate it. Wow.
That's looking A+.
I'm so pumped for this. I'm gonna cry my eyes out when I eat it. This is looking so good. I'm so excited. Also, we accidentally burnt our bread, but it still tastes really good, so we're going with it anyway.
Yeah, who cares?
Who cares? I am
A few broken teeth, it's worth it.
Exactly. In the kitchen taste test every time.
Oh my god.
Is it so good?
It's so good.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited to try this. Hold on, I have to get a bite.
It's so good.
Mmm. Oh my god. The feta and the roasted tomato.
Well, I think just because it's just like actual cherry tomatoes, it tastes so fresh and mixed in.
Totally. Yeah, because it's not like a sauce or anything. It's
Yeah.
like, oh.
But it covers it like a sauce. Well done, TikTok. Alright.
TikTok pasta. Next up on our food for the night, cookies. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. That is a good looking cookie. Just like that, bedtime has arrived, and man, am I happy that it's here. Even though I spent all day right here in this bed, let's be honest. Oh, it was a long day, but I'm really glad that I got so much done. I definitely feel like it paid off, and hopefully will make my week a little bit lighter, which is great. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching today, and I will see you in my next vlog.